For not all flesh is the same, but there is another kind for humans, another for animals, another for birds, and another for fish. Corinthians, passage 1539. Welcome to Fatberg. Today we got a light video. I have a few things in the works that are looking to be way more involved than I thought they would be. I kind of started this channel just to fuck around and talk about things that I feel like talking about, mostly horror-related stuff, as well as a little bit of true crime and, shock videos, as we've done mostly. But there's a few things I wanted to get into that I actually wanted to discuss seriously, and those are going to take a while. I actually reached out to another YouTuber by the name of Coaster Prime and got some questions answered for that video that I'm working on, which check out his content. What this is essentially, I guess, hamster eggs, like the egg cells used for reproducing, not like a fucking, like a chicken egg, are very, what's the word, very compatible with other DNA, i.e. fucking cum from other animals. So compatible so that a human sperm cell can actually impregnate a hamster egg cell. Now, it's a little bit more complicated than that. And hear me out, because when I first read that, I got real fucking nervous for a second. It's like, are you telling me that there's some fucking half human, half hamsters running around? It's like, no. So you can't make a fucking human hamster baby. That won't happen. But a hamster egg can be impregnated by a human sperm, and it will divide. The cells will divide and multiply and try to make something. It will be unviable. You won't be able to bring it to term. It'll just fucking die or whatever. So I have here, it says that Humsters are usually destroyed before they divide into two cells. If isolated and left alone to divide, they would still be unviable. So not much will come from it. They'll do some weird fucking bacteria bullshit inside the hamster, but you're not gonna get like a fucking tumor flesh monster inside the hamster. It just won't do much of anything. But this is used in reproductive science and stuff. So essentially they use hamster egg cells. They refer to them here as like oocyte. I can't pronounce that shit. But I'm just going to call it a hamster egg cell. And they use these to test in vitro fertilization, artificial insemination of humans and whatever, to see if the methods work. Because, you can fucking shoot up a hamster egg and make it kind of pregnant in a way. And this fucked me up, dude. Even after reading the details to it and what's actually like going into this here, isn't that fucked up? In all my years, I always assumed that humans were just totally fucking separate from everything. There's some animals out there you can crossbreed and get some weird bullshit with, but humans were their own fucking thing. And it's like, no, you can knock up a hamster if you really want to. And I was thinking about it, it's like, does that disprove God? That's so fucked up. We're not all that different from hamsters. You are genetically close enough to a hamster to fucking get it kind of pregnant. That's a nightmare, dude. Like, if science advanced enough, we could potentially mix a human and a hamster, right? Like, we're already, like 10%, maybe even not that much of the way there. But just a little bit further, like one mad fucking scientist away from getting a half human, half hamster. Think about that shit for a minute. Look up Humsters and be freaked out like I have been for the past couple of weeks, because this is fucked up. And I've been reading about cartels and shit for the past couple of weeks, and this got me fucked up more than that, okay? Thanks for watching. I have more shit on the way, more actual proper breakdowns. I'm doing this just to put something out there for you guys, something in the medium, but I hope to have like some legitimate content soon, right? Like I have two things that I'm working on that I actually want to like dig into and upload for you guys, and I'm working on that slowly. So it's not all going to be bullshit that I threw together in 10 minutes for fun. It's going to be like 95% of it. But occasionally I'll do something cool. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and don't fuck your hamster.